Everyone keeps telling accountants the same thing: AI is coming for your job. And honestly, they've got it completely backwards. The accountants who understand AI aren't going to make less money, they're going to make a lot more. Let me show you why. Start with what AI is actually good at. It's the grunt work: data entry, bank reconciliations, chasing receipts, categorizing transactions, first draft tax returns, the month-end close that used to eat a week. AI does all of that faster, cheaper, and it doesn't get tired at 11 p.m. in January. So yes, if your entire job is keying in numbers, that job is shrinking. I'm not going to pretend otherwise, but here's the thing. For most accountants, the grunt work was never the valuable part. It was just the part that ate all the time. And that's exactly what AI gives back: time. How much? Thomson Reuters puts it at around 240 hours a year for the average accountant. That's 5 hours every single week. At normal billing rates, they reckon that's worth about $19,000 of recovery capacity per person. So the real question was never will AI take my job. It's what am I going to do with 5 extra hours a week? And this is the fork in the road. You can do one of two things with that time. Option 1, cram in more of the same: more returns, more bookkeeping, more compliance. And if that's the plan, AI just turned you into a commodity, competing on price with every firm that's automated too. That's the path to making less. Option 2, you move up. You pour those hours into advisory. And this is where the money actually is. So what is advisory? It's the stuff clients lose sleep over. Cash flow forecasting: can I afford to hire? Scenario planning: tax strategy: structuring things so the bill is smaller next year. Telling a business owner what their numbers actually mean and what to do about it. That's not admin, that's insight. And insight bills at a completely different rate. Compliance is a race to the bottom. Everyone offers it, AI's made it cheap. Clients treat it as a grudge purchase. Advisory is the opposite. It's scarce, high trust, and clients happily pay a premium for it, month after month on a retainer. Same accountant, same client, several times the fee. Which brings me to the bit most people miss: pricing. If you're still billing by the hour, AI is your enemy, because the faster you get, the less you earn. The accountants who win are switching to value and retainers. You're not selling hours anymore, you're selling the outcome. A clearer business, a smaller tax bill, a forecast they can actually trust. Price that, and AI making you faster makes you more, not less. Now the honest caveat, because I won't sell you a fantasy: AI genuinely is a threat to one kind of accountant, the one who only does compliance, refuses to touch the tools, and still bills by the hour. That person is in trouble. Not less isn't automatic, it's a choice. So here's the playbook. 1. Actually learn the tools already sitting inside your software. 2. Pick one advisory service and productize it. Cash flow forecasting is the easy first one. 3. Move a single client from hourly to a fixed monthly advisory retainer and watch what happens. 4. Let AI do the grind underneath all of it, so your margins go up while your hours come down. That's the whole game. AI doesn't replace accountants. It replaces the lowest value thing accountants do and frees the smart ones to sell the highest value thing they've always been able to offer but never had time for. So don't compete with the machine on speed. Let it do the grind and move up to the work clients actually pay a premium for. If you're building with AI, finance, or automation, follow me. I'm testing what actually works.